What's up, guys? Brian here on Tangled Lines, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be installing this motorcycle mount for my new Insta360 X3 camera. And then we're going to take the motorcycle out for a little bit, test the camera out, and see what kind of footage we can get. Alright guys, we're up here at Gold Hill, just taking the Insta360 X3 out for a spin, and let me tell you, I am sold on this thing already. I've been checking out the footage. It's absolutely amazing what this can do. One camera to cover all the angles. It's a game changer. X3, it's cheaper than the X5, and I think it's going to be just as good.